Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kalpana Suresh, Chief Ophthalmic Surgeon from Kalpana Eye Care Hospital, Chennai speaking. Have allergies turned your eyes red and puffy? You are not alone. Millions of people deal with this condition, also called as allergic conjunctivitis. What are the symptoms? They include redness, itching, watering and swollen eyelids. Eye allergies can happen alone or coexist with nasal or skin allergy. Why the eyes become red? When exposed to an allergen like dust, pet hairs or pollen, cells in your eyes called mast cells release histamine and other chemicals that cause inflammation. This results in itching, redness and watering. People with asthma in the family are more prone. There are two types of allergies, seasonal and perennial. Seasonal, as the name implies, happens at particular season of the year, usually summer. This is due to shedding of pollen from the trees. Perennial allergies happen year around. It is due to dust mites, feathers in the bedding, animal hair, sometimes perfumes, smoke, chlorine, air pollution, cosmetics and certain medicines can also play a role. What should you do? Never ever rub your eyes. Rubbing causes allergy cells to release more chemicals. It will worsen the condition. In addition, eye rubbing will weaken the front elastic surface of the eye, that is cornea, and can lead to thinning and protrusion of cornea at a later stage called as keratoconus. This is a serious condition affecting the vision. Apply cool compressors over the eyes as many times as possible. You can keep ice pack or refrigerated eye mask. It will relieve the itching sensation. Wear protective goggles to cover your eyes when you go out. This will safeguard your eyes from dust, pollen and other allergens. Wash the eyes frequently with clean water. Wash your hands too. Avoid using cosmetics, contact lens or eye makeup. Keep away from pets if you have one. Use bed sheets and pillowcases that are lint free. Avoid using blankets with soft fur in it. Wash them frequently in hot water. If your mattress is more than few years old, consider getting a new one. Clean the floors with damp mop. Do not sweep as it stirs up the allergen. Never buy over-the-counter eye drops and use. Visit your ophthalmologist if you are not relieved of allergy. Your eye specialist will prescribe anti-allergy medications in the form of eye drops or ointment. Use it only as prescribed. Never continue to use without doctor's advice, as some medicines will have serious side effects in the end. For example, if you apply steroid eye drops for a long period, side effects like cataract and glaucoma, that is increased eye pressure, can occur and it can lead to blindness. Refrigerating your eye drops may bring more relief. I have uploaded a video on how to use eye drops. I shall send the link in the description box. Avoid triggers known if any. Consult an ENT and a skin specialist if you have other allergies too. For seasonal allergy, short course of medication is enough. For perennial allergy, which runs throughout the year, you might require medications for longer duration. If possible, relocate to cooler places. Hope this information on eye allergy is useful to you all. If you all have any queries, please post them in the comment box. I would be happy to answer. To watch more educative videos like this, kindly subscribe to Kalpana Eye Care YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.